Okay, so you are thinking that it would be nice to be able to enjoy your yard into the evening with some beautiful landscape lighting. It is one of the biggest things that you can do to improve the enjoyment of your yard, because when you're hanging out there at night, you can actually enjoy it. It feels like you're at a resort. So the next step is to figure out, what the heck is this going to cost? So we need a few things from you. We want to make this as simple as possible. So what you can do is you can take your phone, you can take a picture from the street to your house, the house back out to the street, backyard, house, back to the property line, back to the house. That'll give us a pretty good idea of what we have to work with. You can do the side yards as well if you think that's applicable. And yeah, send that in. Fill out the information in the form, upload those pictures to us using our fancy dancy uploader tool. It'll come to us, and then what we'll do is we'll kind of take a look at it, get an idea of, yeah, if we were going to do this, this is kind of what we'd use for fixtures, and here's roughly a ballpark of what that's going to cost. Is that something that we should talk more about? We can set you up with a package and show you how to do it yourself. We can set you up with a contractor that can do it for you. Both of those options, doesn't matter. We want to make it as easy as possible. So the way to get that started, take those pictures for us. If you have some rough lot dimensions, that'll help too with some wire runs, but really that's kind of minimal. So if you just take those pictures, send them in to us using that uploader tool, we'll give you a call, we'll chat it through, and then we'll go from there. So get started, drop your name into the form, upload those pictures for us, and we'll have a conversation.